Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this BMW Z3 M Roadster that you can see lurking behind me here. Very low mileage, this one, only 2 owners and just under 23,000 miles. Comes with a hard top as well. Anyway, 2 videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Okay, quick video of startup and idling on this BMW Z3 M Roadster. Everything comes up as it should if I can get my hand under to do the ignition. Starts smartly and settles down to a nice idle. And now we'll show you under the bonnet. Okay, on the bonnet view here of this BMW Z3 M Roadster with its legendary straight 6 M power motor. Just performing the way it should. No funny noises, no funny smells. Sorry about the shadow. But just doing what it's supposed to do. Next up, driving. Okay, so here we are out in this BMW Z3 M Roadster, or just M Roadster as some people call them. Showing just under 23,000 miles, and we warrant that mileage is correct. This is a 2-owner car and drives absolutely superbly as you'd expect. Loads of performance. Starts on the button, no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. The temperature gauge is sitting just below the normal point. All the instruments are working, including those on the center console, and it just races along. You might hear a slight creaking. I've got my seat all the way back because I am 6'6", and it is, the back of the seat is rubbing on the rear bulkhead slightly, so you might get a bit of creaking going on, but there's no rattles or squeaks or bangs or anything. All feels tightened together. And obviously with the fantastic motorsport engine. Not sure what I can say about it really. It's just brilliant, really is. Loads of performance. When the sun's shining, obviously you can have the roof off. We've got the roof on at the moment because whilst the sun is shining it's still a bit chilly. But yeah, it's just great, really is. Standard spec with the exception of a power. Standard spec with the exception of a power flow exhaust. Brakes in a straight line. All nicely there. That engine makes such a lovely sound. Although we're coming up to some roadworks. I know there's a big pothole down here that I don't really want to drop this into. There it is. Go around the pothole. Okay, if the lights stay green, no, the lights have gone red. So we're coming up to some traffic lights now for these roadworks, so we may as well end it here. But yeah, she's everything you expect it to be. My name's Simon. You can. Oh no, the lights have gone green again. We'll keep going. Be nice if they filled in that big pothole. So well, we're just coming back to base now, so there's not much more I can say about it apart from it's very good. I can't really fault it the way it drives. Well, I can't fault it. And it's on our website, which is www.moto-drome.com. And I hope you like it.